protest by girl students has raised questions over teacher availability at a government residential school in Lucknow. The students of Jayaprakash Narayan Sarvodaya Vidyalaya took to the streets on August 17th despite heavy rain. The students gathered at the Dubagga Kanpur bypass and Palaganj intersections. They formed a human chain and disrupted traffic. Police and senior officers later reached the spot and brought the protest to an end. The students were taken back to the school. This was their second protest in 4 days. The students said their studies were suffering with board examinations approaching. Student Anamika said the school was also struggling to conduct online classes. She pointed out that despite having many science students, the school did not have teachers for physics and biology. The students also demanded action against the warden. They called for fresh teacher appointments. They warned of another protest if their demands are not addressed. The teacher appointment issue has already reached the courts. A related matter concerning schools under the Social Welfare Department was listed before the Allahabad High Court on August 17th.